AK.garage. Yes, AK.garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the reason why you shouldn't drive overheat car. When you are going somewhere with your car, then suddenly your car got overheated on the way. Then what you have to do is on your hazard, then you find a perfect place, then you park your car, right? Park the car, then open the hood, the bonnet. Don't touch the tank cover, the water tank or pressure cap. Yes, right. Don't open the pressure cap. Don't touch it. Just open the hood, then you leave it like that. Then the heat will settle down, or water will settle down to cool down for some time before you open it. And then when it's overheat, don't try to open it and add water. That you think that if you add water to overheat car, the overheating will come down. It's wrong. It's totally wrong. One, when you add water to it, you can see that the water is boiling out. One, you can hurt yourself. Two, is it will burn the gasket, the head gasket totally. Maybe that overheating didn't burn the head gasket, but because of the water you add instantly to it, it will burn the gasket. So don't add water to your car that's already overheated. No, don't add water to it. And the reason why is that the reason why you shouldn't drive overheating car is that one, when car overheats, the engines everything expand itself. The head, the piston rings, the cylinder blocks, everything expand itself. So don't drive it. When you drive it, the damage that will get is one, your piston will seize because of that overheating. Your piston will seize, and then the two, the piston rings will damage. It will damage because it has seized. It has been expand itself, so the ball inside has been choked. So it can break. It can break, and then after the breaking, it will spoil the combustion chamber, the ball inside, where the ball is where the piston is moving up and down. That top dead center and then bottom dead center. Yes, that TDC is where the piston do its movement. That place is called ball, cylinder ball. So don't drive it. It will destroy that piston ring, then your piston itself, and then three, the head gaskets. Four, the engine head. The engine head itself can crack because of that overheating. The engine will crack. The engine block will crack. So don't drive overheating car. Park the car, let the car cool down. After that, then you check your car, the level of the water, the coolant. Yes, the level of the coolant. After cooling down, you check that those things. If it is down, then you top it. Then you send it to mechanic, a technician, specialist to check what caused the overheating. Then he will tackle that issue for you. Don't overdrive overheating car. You get your car engine locked. But you know that when car overheats and you try to drive ahead, the engine can seize. Yes, engine can seize. And when the engine seizes, at that time, there is a damage. Either you buy a piston ring, connecting rod, or you buy piston itself, or you buy engine head. The head gasket is automatically off, so definitely you change it. So don't overdrive overheating car. If you drive overheating car, it's going to cost you more cost. Either you buy those things I mentioned, or you buy the engine itself for your car before that car move. So don't hesitate and said I'm in a hurry, so I'll do this and get to the place fast. If you want to get to the place fast, then park the car, then you set your triangle there. Then pick another car, then you go to the program. After that, you come back and come and then pick your car with a mechanic, or you send it to the mechanic to check the process for you. That will be a better to get your car back than to go and then pay more costs or damages for the car before you get your car. So this AK garage, I'm going to give you again. This is a part one. So don't drive overheating car. Avoid driving overheating car. Thank you. Subscribe to UK Garage. And this is the channel for AK Garage. AK dot garage. Yes, AK dot garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everywhere is you type you search AK dot garage, you get my videos. All the videos is there to watch. So thank you. Subscribe to UK Garage. Bye.